Yo, what's up guys? Dan here again. If you didn't watch our last episode on being able to print something to the console, go ahead and check that out right now. Today we're going to learn about something that we briefly went over in the last video, and that was comments. So right here, I made a new project and the class is called comments. And I briefly touched up on this in the last episode, and basically right here we have a comment. When you have 2 / right there, it basically tells Java that, hey, we're gonna write a comment here. So what's really useful about a comment? Well, it practically just ignores what is going on that's inside the comment. So anything that gets compiled, it won't be there. So as a good example, let's do this. Ready, set, and go. And when we run this, Shift F10, I should say. It's a way you can run it on Windows. We got ready, set, go, and notice how this write your code here just isn't showing up. So this is called a single line comment. What kind of is nice about comments is just to be able to document what we're trying to do. It's useful in the fact of not only helping you remember what you're doing, but more importantly, it helps others know what you did before. When you document, it helps someone later on understand what you were trying to do in the first place. So for instance, right here we have our ready, set, go to print. So we basically just stated what we're trying to do here. What's kind of nice is not only do we have this thing called the single line comment, we also have a thing called a multi-line comment. So if we do a slash and then a star, and then if we hit enter, IntelliJ recognizes what we're trying to do, and it will basically then finish off the multi-comment for us with a star and a slash. So in here, multi-line comment. It's supposed to be capitalized, right? There we go. So yeah, basically anything in here is gonna be completely commented out. So we can just type some gibberish and same thing. If we run it, ready, set, go is just gonna be the only thing that pops up. And we can do this with code that we've already put on. We can comment that out. And now when we print it, it's just gonna say ready, set, and the go isn't gonna pop up. Pretty straight to the point, useful later on, and being able to help with debugging and also helping out other people understand what we're trying to do when it comes to code. If you want to check out more about the code and to get the source code, and there'll be a link below in the comments, in the description, of basically what I've been putting together for you guys. And this way you can pretty much just copy paste it into your own IDE or IntelliJ, print it off yourself, and you can mess with it. And I hope it helps with just understanding it a lot better. This is Dan. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit the like button, comment below if you have any questions, and if you like the content so far, please consider subscribing. All right, catch you guys in the new one.